So if there's going to be a fire, simba ko lang, and I can only choose 3 makeup products that I can save or bring with me, I'm gonna choose products that can multitask. So first, I'm gonna choose a concealer because it can be used to, you know, hide my imperfections, my blemishes, my dark under eye circles, and it can also be used as highlighter. And second, I'm gonna choose a lip and cheek tint because I don't want to look pale, and it can also be used as an eyeshadow. And the last product that I'm going to choose is a matte bronzer. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to multitask a matte bronzer or a contour product. So this is actually the normal size of the bronzer, and Benefit come up with the limited edition giant bronzer, and it also comes with a giant brush. And look at the packaging, it's so cute, it's very travel friendly, and it has a mirror on it. First, the main purpose of this product is to contour the face, and I'm just gonna use the brush. Look at that. I have an oval face and my chin is already small, so I don't want to put contour there. Instead, I want to put on my forehead here. And I'm just gonna blend it. I get more product. So the purpose of contouring is to enhance your facial features. That's it. And next, I'm gonna use this to contour my nose. So I'm just gonna use my pinky finger to get a product. I'm gonna blend it. That's it. Pinky finger to apply, and I'm gonna use my ring finger to blend. And maybe just to blend even more. So in contouring, I recommend you will use a matte bronzer or a contour product, not the shimmery one, okay? So let's move on to the second task of this product. It can also be used as an eyeshadow to define your eyes, like a brown eyeshadow, for example. So I'm going to use this brush. You can actually use your finger as well. So yeah, like that. And it's so nice. Can add more here to the nose. And that's it. And another use of this product is as an eyeliner. So let's get a few products and let's put here. So using a powder eyeliner will actually make you achieve that natural look. You can also spray a makeup spray on it or put water if you want the color to, you know, pop up more. But I just didn't do it here. So that's the third task. And the last task this bronzer can do is to fill in the brows like this. So that's how I use my bronzers, especially if I'm in a hurry and I don't have time to make use of all my products. So I just grab my bronzer and make the most out of it. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you on my next video. Bye!